Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a Dodge Journey. First, gather your tools like a wrench set and pliers. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work. You'll also need to drain about 1/2 of the coolant from the radiator to prevent spills. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's find that thermostat. It's typically located in a housing near the engine block, often where the upper radiator hose connects. Carefully disconnect this hose and be ready for some coolant to spill, even after draining. Then, unbolt the housing to reveal the old thermostat. Take your time, as space can be tight. With the old thermostat out, it's crucial to clean the housing surface thoroughly to ensure a proper seal for the new part. Insert your new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, as some designs only fit one way. Then, carefully reattach the housing, tightening the bolts firmly but without over-torquing, especially if it's a plastic housing. A good seal prevents leaks. Finally, reconnect the radiator hose and begin refilling your coolant system. It's important to bleed any trapped air from the system to prevent overheating. Start the engine, turn the heat on high, and let it run until it reaches operating temperature, watching for any leaks around the new thermostat and ensuring the temperature gauge is stable. Top off coolant as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.